Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to start a digital product business this year that's going to be so profitable that it's going to change the rest of your life, okay? Now, just for some proof right now, I'm going to show you a few people that I've shown this strategy to. For example, like Melvin, who is a English school teacher in Myanmar, generated $1,500 in a single day. Imagine what that could do for your life. I mean, some people don't even generate that in a single month. What could that do for you in a single day? This is Ivan right here. One of our other students generated $40,000 with the strategies that we taught him, right? And this is my student here, Dan, right, who generated $50,000 in a single month. He's gone on to do some crazy stuff, but these are people that started with my strategies, and I'm going to literally show you how to get started with a digital product business right now. So here's what it starts with, right? There are 4 components of every digital product business. You got to pick the right niche, you need the right product, you need the right funnel, and then you need to fill that funnel with the right eyeballs, attention, traffic, and leads, okay? So let's talk a little bit about niches. There are many niches that you can go into, right? But what we're going to do is, instead of me giving you the best ones, I'm just going to show you exactly how you can find out yourself. So I'm just going to hop into ChatGPT right here, and I typed out literally top digital niches to sell in, and it gave me a whole bunch. Look at this. Make money online. Within the make money online space, there is affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, online business, AI side hustles, e-commerce, lead generation. I mean, the list is endless. If you want to go deeper into make money online, you just literally ask ChatGPT, go more into make money online to give me, more options, 20 options, 30 options, and it can do that, right? Maybe you don't like make money stuff. Maybe you want to teach in the health and weight loss space, fat loss, intermittent fasting, muscle building, nutrition, gut health. You get the idea, right? You don't have to sell in one big category. Within a big niche, there are many sub niches that you can do. Personal development, relationships, career and skill, AI and technology, investing and wealth building, business entrepreneurship, beauty and appearance, hobbies and passion markets. There are so many right here. And that's the thing. When you understand where to look, it's actually really easy. Now, if you're wondering, well, what's the most profitable niche? Well, here's the thing. Every single one of these can be profitable. You just have to decide which one you like, okay? Now, you don't have to sell in one that you're particularly good or experienced in. Just choose one that you think that you would like to learn about, or maybe you even are passionate about or you know about, and you can learn the rest of the way. All right, don't fret this stuff. Please don't take like 2 months to pick your niche. Just go ahead, go through this list right here, pick something that you think you can resonate with, and then move forward. Now, once you've picked your niche, the next thing we want to do is we want to find the right product. Okay, now with the right product, there are 2 types of products that you can sell. You can sell a physical product, which we're not going to do, or a digital one. Right now, this video is all about digital selling. Right now, I just want to cover really quickly why we don't like physical stuff. It's mainly because of these 4 things: low profit margins, extremely competitive, hard to add value, and it becomes a volume game. Like, you want to sell a little fidget spinner or a yo-yo, you literally have to sell 10, 20, 30,000 yo-yos a month to make $10,000 or $20,000 profit a month. So we don't like physical stuff, all right? We like digital stuff because high profit margins, less competitive, easy to add value, and you don't need that many sales to get to the big numbers, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 US dollars a month in profit. That's why digital is so good. And you don't have to manufacture it in a factory. It can be delivered directly via login, via email. That's why building a digital product business this year is one of the smartest things that you can do. So if you're wondering exactly where to find these digital products, again, I just went to ChatGPT, right? AI is so powerful these days. And I typed out top digital networks to find products, and it listed all the top ones. Check this out: Digistore24, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Partner Stack, Impact, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Hotmart, System.io, right? There's so many right here. And the thing is that people think that you need to use one platform. No, you don't, okay? You just need to understand the strategy, which you're learning right now in this video today. So make sure you save this, subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to learn how to do this stuff step by step. And then once you learn the strategy, you can apply it to any digital product from any network. It doesn't matter. It could be from Digistore24. It could be from ClickBank. It could be from Warrior Plus. And if you're like, well, Aaron, how do I, navigate Digistore24? How do I navigate Warrior Plus? All you have to do is just go to YouTube and just type out, how do I pick a product in Warrior Plus? How do I pick a product in Digistore24? That's not the hard part. That's actually really easy, right? When you know what you're searching for. What's difficult is the strategy when you don't understand understand how to sell it and you're learning how to do it right now, okay? Now, the cool thing is for example, you go to Digistore24, find the right product, make sure the product that you're selling is not too cheap. We don't want to sell a $20 ebook because you would have to sell 500 $20 ebooks to make $10,000 in revenue, right? We want to sell less but make more. So make sure you pick a decent price product, usually between $500 to $1,000. If it has a couple of good upsells, even better, because that increases what we call the lifetime customer value of the customer, okay? The average sale just goes up. It means that you need to make less sales in order to make more money. That's all it is, all right? Now, whatever product you pick, it doesn't really matter, because the next thing I'm going to teach you is how you're going to make a lot of sales. So now it comes down to the funnel, and that's really, really important. This is where a lot of brand new digital product sellers fall short. They don't have the right funnel, okay? And a lot of funnels look really, really horrible, okay? A lot of funnels, they just kind of send you to some sort of sales page, and you don't want to do that because everybody's doing that, right? If you're sending people to a sales page over and over and over again, they're going to stop buying, right? They're just going to ignore your email. So what we want to do instead is we want to build a funnel that builds trust. Now, this is really, really important, okay? And the way that it builds trust is it trains, it teaches, it gives testimonials, it solves your audience's problems first, and it sells last. This is how you get rich, right? Now, let me show you an example of one of my funnels, and then you can just model it yourself. So the funnel builder that I like to use is ClickFunnels, but you can use any funnel builder. It really doesn't matter. There are so many website and funnel builders that you can use because the funnels that we're going to build are really, really simple, okay? So the first thing you need is a capture page where you basically capture someone's name and email address to follow up with them, all right? Now, I'm not going to show you a capture page because it's super basic. This right here actually is a capture page. You see, when somebody lands on ClickFunnels, there is a title right here. You're one funnel away from building recurring revenue. Start free today, enter your email address, get started. This is a capture page. This is a perfect example of a decent capture page. So you can build this in ClickFunnels if you want, right? But that's not where the secret is. The secret sauce is instead of sending someone to a sales page right after they opt in, which is what 90% of digital product sellers do. You don't ever want to do this, okay? You don't want to just send someone to a video sales letter because they know you're trying to sell them something, so they're not going to buy, right? Instead, we want to add value, okay? So let's just say you're in the business space like I am. What I might do is I might send them to a video that looks something like this, right? So it's very simple. There is a headline, there's a video, and there's a button, okay? So the headline is going to be whatever we're trying to teach them at that particular time. The video could be a 5 to 10 minute video. This one's slightly longer because, you know, I've been doing this for a while, so I'm going to add more value, right? But I'm basically adding value, I'm teaching them, and I'm training them on that particular topic before I ask them for any money, right? And literally there is so much value in these videos that they could go away and they could learn from this, okay? Now, I'm not necessarily going to teach them the step-by-step. Like, I'm not going to, you know, go over the shoulder and show them, but I'm going to teach them the 30,000-foot view, right? The concept, the theory of how this actually works, the strategy behind it, right? Because a lot of people don't teach strategy. And if you don't have strategy, you're never going to make any money with digital product selling, right? So I show them the strategy on the whiteboard. There are many ways you can do this, okay? You can do this on a PowerPoint presentation, AI, animation style, whiteboard style. The way I'm doing it, this is called a talking head video. And then after that, right at the end, I'm like, hey, if you want to learn how to do this, then all you need to do is click the link below. And this is the affiliate link to whatever product that you're selling. So in a previous example, we were looking at JVZoo, right? Or Digistore24. You would grab your digital product product link and you would stick it here. So people are getting value first. And then once they build that trust with you, they get to know, like, and trust you. They're like, oh, I really want to learn from this person, Bill or Sally or Aaron or whatever. I want to find out a little bit more. They click down here and that's what you're selling, okay? This is another example of another sort of value page, right? Very, very similar. It's just a headline, a video, and a link, right? And in this one, I give my 6-figure conversion away, right? So let me just show it to you right here. This is basically me. Let me pull it up right here. Version model will teach you how to do. And this is just one part, the value series component. So I literally have it printed out and I'm teaching someone how my value series framework works. And then they can download it for free right here. So they click on it. it's right here. They can download this. They can print it out if they want. They can follow it. And then if they want to learn from me, they just click down here. And this link is my affiliate link to the product that I'm selling, right? In this particular example, I'm selling my own digital product, okay? But you can do anything you want. You can sell your own product. You can sell somebody else's product. It doesn't really matter. But this is an example of a good value series training. Here's another one where I basically take you through, some of my students' feedback and things like that. And then there's a little bit more testimonials of what people have said, right? And then if they want, and when they're ready, they can click on the affiliate link, right? So multiple ways to do this. But what I'm doing is, instead of selling people, I'm adding value. I'm solving their biggest problems. I'm teaching them for free. I'm training them. And that builds one thing, and that's trust. And when people trust you, that's when they buy from you. So make sure, if you're going to be building a funnel, right? Remember, you can use any funnel builder. Don't sell with a video sales letter, all right? Make sure you're building trust. Make sure you're teaching, you're training, you're giving testimonials, and you're solving your audience's problems first. That's how you make a lot of money with digital products, okay? So the last thing is we need traffic and leads. That's really important, right? So now you've got the niche that you're in. You know you want to sell digital products. That's really important. You've built the right funnel, which is a value-based funnel, not a selling funnel. Now we got to fill this funnel with as much traffic and attention as possible, okay? Now there are a few ways that you can do this, right? Now the first way, and this is what a lot of people teach when you do digital products, they say, hey, go buy somebody else's traffic. That means go buy it from a solo vendor, a traffic vendor, somebody that has an email list. You can go and you can buy it from them. Please don't do that. That's one of the worst things you can do, because solo traffic vendors sell really low quality, shitty traffic because they keep selling it to other people. So if they sold it to 1,000 people, they're going to sell it to you, and their list is basically really, really horrible, right? It's they're highly disengaged because they're constantly getting offers. They don't know who you are. They don't care, right? They're going to click on your links because they kind of like, promos, but they don't buy. These people don't buy. And I'm going to show you right now exactly what a solo ad looks like, and you never ever want to buy from them. So this is one of the biggest solo ad vendors in the world. It's called Udemy. You may have heard from them. I have spent probably $20,000, $30,000 on this website, okay, over a long period of time, many years. And the reason why I did that was because that's basically what that's basically what the gurus teach. They teach you to come to a network like Udemy. There are a lot of marketers like me, that have big lists, 100,000 people, 500,000 people, and they're like, hey, give me $500, I'll give you 500 clicks, right? So it sounds really easy, but the problem is these vendors sell to hundreds and thousands of people. So again, their lists are very, very low quality. You'll get the clicks, you'll get some opt-ins, you'll get the leads, but people aren't going to buy from you, okay? Because they've just bought so many offers. They just don't really care anymore. So never, ever buy solo ads. This whole solo ad strategy kept me broke for 8 years. Okay, if you have $30,000 to spend and 8 years to waste, please, but by all means, come to udemy.com and other solo vendors and buy it. But if you don't, like I know you don't waste your time. Okay, don't buy traffic or leads from other people. Learn to generate your own traffic. That's really, really important. It took me so long to learn that, right? Because there's just so much misinformation online. Here's another website where they talk about solo vendors. Look, 50 best solo ad providers and vendors for 2026. All right. And then there's a list of people. You can just come to them. You can buy. Check out this guy, Patrick right here, Andreas, Kanjana, Timios, Joe, all these people. You can literally just, click here, get their names, and you can buy from them, right? And it's easy, but the quality is so bad that you're almost never going to get into profit. So please don't fall for this trap, because that's what it is. It is a trap. Because it's so easy, it's like buying drugs. It's just you buy drugs on the side of the street, you get high, and then you have all these problems later, okay? Don't do that. Learn to generate your own traffic, and I'm going to show you how. So we generate our own traffic by learning how to do it. That's really, really important, okay? Remember, you're trying to become a marketer, right? So you have to learn to become a practitioner. Don't be lazy, okay? Don't just go and buy solo ads. That's what I was like. I was lazy, and also because all the courses were telling me to do it. So I didn't learn to generate my own traffic, but you need to learn. You have to become a practitioner of marketing, and the way that you do that is you learn how to do it. I think the best place is social media. Okay, so TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest. These are some great places to find people that are interested in your topic, right? High quality. Once you learn to generate, they'll know who you are. You can convert your views into leads, into sales, right? And the number of followers don't matter. You can start from zero because everything starts from zero. And this is where people will really buy your stuff. Let me show you. So this is my Facebook channel right here. And you can see that I've got almost 300,000 people following me, right? And this is all done organically. And all I do is, you know, I friend a whole bunch of people in the business space because that's the space that I'm in, right? You can do that through groups if you want. Come here, search for the right groups, dog training groups, six-pack ab groups, relationship groups, add friends, build it up over time. And then what you do is you start posting lots of valuable content for people like this, right? So this is quite fun. That was created by AI. I post some of my videos right here. And what happens is people like it, they comment, and they share, all right? And then it grows and grows and grows. And then what you do is you leave your capture page link here. So this is a link to my capture page. If people want more info, they want to learn from me, they come here, they opt in, they become a lead, and then I follow up with them. So this is Facebook, for example, right? Another one is Instagram, okay? This is my Instagram. My Instagram channel isn't even that big. It's only 23,000 followers, okay? And I'm generating, you know, quite a lot of leads from Instagram. My old channel used to be 300,000. Unfortunately, I lost that channel, so I'm rebuilding. But I mean, look at some of these views, right? 11,000 views, 4,000 views, 1,700 views, 3,000 views, 22,000 views, right? And then the views translate into leads. Okay, people opt in, they comment, I reply to them, I send them my capture page link, and some of them also check out my capture page here right at the top of the bio, right? So these are high quality people because you are talking directly to them. You're not buying somebody else's list. You're generating the content yourself. They're learning to get to know, like, and trust you. You're educating them. I mean, check out some of these posts, you know. Right here, I'm educating them on the funnels. I'm educating them right here on the resources to start. Look at this one right here. This one allows them to understand what different sources to use, okay? And because of that, you're building trust up front. Then they come through your funnel, which builds even more trust, and now they're ready to buy, okay? And so this is the formula to building a multiple six-figure, multi-million-dollar digital product business. And the thing is that very few people are going to show you this, all right? They don't ever really teach you how to do this. This took me so long to learn right here. And I want you to come back to this video because this right here, these 4 steps, when done correctly with the right strategy, with the right tenacity and consistency, the right action, will get you amazing results. This is not a $100 per month formula. This is a $50,000 US per month formula and much more. It just depends on how much traffic you put through it. If you're putting through 500 leads a day, you're going to get a massive business. If you put in 1,000 leads a day, you're going to get even more. If you're only putting in 10 leads a day, then it's a little bit less, but you're still going to be able to get into profit, way more profit than if you were to just send people directly using solo ads to a video sales letter. That's how you stay broke, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video today about learning how to build a digital product business, right? Very few people will teach you this stuff, and that's what I do on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, otherwise you're not going to learn all the secrets behind learning how to make lots of money online and through digital products. And if you love this, but you're like, Aaron, how do I put this all together step by step? The niche, the product, the funnel, the traffic, you know, over the shoulder. I've got a step-by-step masterclass that you can check out. It's free. It's in the description box and comment section below. Hope you love this today. I will see you on the next video. Take care.